What's going on, guys? Welcome to day 5 of starting a successful WordPress blog. Today is going to be another quick one. I'm going to share my screen with you once again. We're going to run through the document of what you're going to need to do. This is more a couple back office things to kind of set you up for long-term success. So bear with me. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comments. I will answer them. I do look at the comments. So just here to help you guys out and get you started on your successful journey to blogging. So let me jump in here and share my screen. So here's the a document that you guys have come accustomed to now since we're on day 5. So the first thing we're going to do is install Google Analytics. Now, if you watched a day 4 video, there was a plugin that you need to install. There is a free version of it's called Monster Insights. So if you install that, you're gonna need to both hook up Google Analytics to Monster Insights and then obviously create a Google Analytics account. So it kind of walks you through this. Again, not step by step. This is more meant to be a 30,000 foot overview of creating a blog. So I have a couple links in here, one for Google Analytics to kind of set you up. And once you do create an account, you're going to go down here. You can't really see that, but that says admin down there. You're going to click on the admin and then create a new property. And that's when you add your website in there. So this will kind of give you an idea of what you need to do here in Google Analytics. Again, there is a free version of Google Analytics is free. Monster Insights is free. There is also a paid version that you might want to actually purchase down the road once you start, getting traffic and you need to start looking at more data to, see how you need to tweak your blog posts or what you need to do to retain your readers. The second thing here is to set up a Google Search Console. So if you read this here, it's Google Search Console is just a set of tools and reports that help you measure your site's search traffic and performance, kind of fix issues on your site. It provides errors and stuff like that, your site map, all those things. So you're going to need to just click on this link. It's going to open up Google Search Console, and you're going to need to connect your website, your URL to it. I would suggest using this URL prefix unless you're a little bit more advanced. You can use this domain one. It looks like it's a little newer. I haven't used this yet. And it looks like it requires DNS verification. So like I said, it's a little bit more technically involved. So if you're just a beginner, stick with this URL prefix here. And then the last thing here is to set up a CloudFlare account. So CloudFlare basically protects your website, adds an extra layer of security on it. It's not required, but I usually hook up every single one of my websites to CloudFlare. It's pretty easy to set up. Let me just jump into it real quick here. I'm going to log into my account. So once you create an account here, we're going to come up over here to the top right where it says add site. And all you need to do is just type in your URL right here and add site. As long as it's been propagated on the internet, meaning it's actually being processed and being found by Google and stuff, you can just hit add site there and it's going to automatically do everything for you. So again, this is free. There is a paid version of CloudFlare. I've never been a paying member of CloudFlare. Everything I use here is free. So feel free to use that as well. It's just, again, another layer of security to protect your website against, attacks and stuff like that, hackers. So those are the 3 things you need to set up for today. And if you do want to jump ahead to day 6 here, you can. Or if you need to go back and reconfigure or do anything else with your website, feel free to do so. But that is all for day number 5. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below with any questions that you have. I read them. I will answer them. Just want to help you guys be successful and start creating some traffic for your blog. So hope to see you on day number 6 tomorrow. Thanks, guys. See you soon.